Today in this video I am share with you my one of the high accuracy IQ option trading script. This trading script gives you 99% accuracy. Today I will take $3,000 live trade with my live balance using this script. We also provide free signals on Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel for copy my trades and don't forget to subscribe my channel or press the bell icon. Okay, now let's start the trading. First we need to set our script on trading chart. Let's add the script. Now we need to understand the script. We can see here buy sell arrow and yellow dot. Now let's explain the confirmation. Here yellow dot mean ready for signals, and by sell arrow mean confirmation for placing the trade. Hope you understand. For better understand, don't skip video, watch my live trades. Now let's take some trade using this script. Don't skip and watch the full video. Okay guys, here we got a buy signal. Let's place the trade and wait for results. Our trade will be a successful winning and profit add on live balance. Let's search another one. Here we got a sell signal. Let's take the trade and wait for results. Again, we are successful winning trade. Here we got again a buy signal. Let's place the trade and wait for results. Again, we are successful winning trade. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want this script, contact us on Telegram. See you next video. Goodbye for today.